Are you all excited to start learning how to do digital marketing, but you don't know where to begin? If you're new here, my name is Casey Humphrey. I've been a digital marketer now for 2 years. I'm a wife, a mother, and an empty nester. And when you're online looking at all these digital marketing courses, it can be very confusing. I follow a very simple program. It's the Legacy Builder program, which is a pre-made business for you. It shows you exactly how to start and open up your own online business promoting 4 digital products that are in high demand. You learn how to work 2 hours a day from your phone. You don't have to have any tech skills and you don't have to have any followers. It is a fully automated business and you will have pages like this working in the background for you every day. And these pages run your business fully automated 24/7 so you can have your time back to spend with your loved ones. But these automated pages will give you the freedom that you were looking for while still making an online income. So if you would like to learn how to have your own automated business working for you 24/7 in the background, put yes in the comments or go to the link in my bio and I'll be happy to share it with you.